To set a stop loss on TradingView, you first need to understand what a stop loss is. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price level, limiting potential losses. Start by logging into your TradingView account and navigating to the chart of the asset you want to trade. Click on the Pine Editor button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the New button to create a new strategy. In the Pine Editor, you will see a blank space where you can write your code. To set a stop loss, you can use the strategy exit function. This function allows you to specify the ID of the order, the symbol, the side of the trade, and the stop price. For example, if you want to set a stop loss at 5% below the current price, you can use the following code. Strategy exit ID equals stop loss. Stop equals strategy position underscore AVG underscore price asterisk 0.95. This code will set a stop loss at 5% below the average entry price of your trade. After you have written your code, click on the Add to Chart button to add the strategy to your chart. You will see a green line on your chart indicating the stop loss level. To backtest your strategy, click on the Strategy Tester button, which is usually located at the top of the screen. This will allow you to see how your strategy would have performed in the past. It is also important to note that you can set a stop loss based on a fixed amount of money, rather than a percentage. For example, if you want to limit your losses to $100, you can use the following code. Strategy exit ID equals stop loss. Stop equals strategy position underscore AVG underscore price 100 strategy position underscore size. In addition to setting a stop loss, you can also set a take profit, which is an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain profit level. To set a take profit, you can use the strategy exit function with the limit parameter. For example, if you want to set a take profit at 10% above the current price, you can use the following code. Strategy exit ID equals take profit limit equals strategy position underscore AVG underscore price asterisk 1.10. This code will set a take profit at 10% above the average entry price of your trade. By setting a stop loss and a take profit, you can limit your potential losses and lock in your profits, which is an important part of any trading strategy.